Cache Giraffe has received multiple bug fix updates in 2026, but the latest version may not appear immediately in the App Store for every iPhone. Oh App Store 1, do. If Cache Giraffe is showing an older version, I'll walk you through the checks that can make the update appear, plus what to do if the App Store still says there's no update. First, open the App Store and search specifically for Cache Giraffe. Open the AP's listing instead of relying only on the update screen. The current iPhone listing identifies the developer as GA-apps GmbH and shows Cache Giraffe's version history, including version 1.5 or 4, with bug fixes. App Store 1. If you see an update button, install it and reopen Cache Giraffe after the installation finishes. If you only see open, check your iPhone software version next. Cache Giraffe currently requires iOS 15.1 or later on iPhone. App Store 1. That matters because an app update can be unavailable when your device doesn't meet the app's current compatibility requirement. Next, completely close the App Store and reopen it. Then search for Cache Giraffe again. If the update still doesn't appear, restart your iPhone and check the listing again. There's another possibility. The update may be rolling out, or the App Store may not have refreshed the listing on your device yet. Cache Giraffe's recent iPhone version history shows repeated releases described as bug fixes, including versions 1.5, 1.5, 1, and 1.5. All App Store 1. If you're seeing the update but it won't install, check your available storage and make sure your internet connection is stable. Then retrieve the installation from the Cache Giraffe App Store page. If the update installs but Cache Giraffe still behaves like the old version, check the version number inside the App Store listing and compare it with the version currently installed. One more thing. Don't delete Cache Giraffe immediately if you have active game tracking or rewards. Cache Giraffe uses game tracking for its reward system, and its support documentation says games installed before starting them through Cache Giraffe may not appear in the My Games section or earn points. Just dice, den desk.com wadontie. So the practical fix is simple. Check the Cache Giraffe listing directly. Verify iOS 15.1 or later. Refresh the App Store, restart the phone, and only reinstall as a last resort. If this fixed the missing update, like the video and subscribe for more Cache Giraffe fixes.